All right, my topic right now is proportion and cross products. Well, proportion and cross products can also be called by some people cross multiplying. Product is the answer to a multiplication problem. So we can also call it cross multiplying. Okay, so proportion is when true ratios are equal. So 2/3 equals 6/9. One way that you can figure this out and know if they're equal, you can say, what times 3 would be 9? Well, 3 times 3 is 9. 2 times 3 is 6. So if the numerator and denominator can be multiplied by the same thing to equal the other fraction, or divided by the same thing to equal the other proportion, then they are equal proportions. So that's one way of doing it. And when problems are simple, that's probably the fastest way, to just look at it and see what to multiply it by. But some problems aren't so simple, so you need to know another way, and that's called cross product. The cross products are equal to each other if the two fractions or ratios are equal. So, for example, 9 times 2 is 18. 3 times 6 is 18. When these equal cross products, then these two are proportional. You're going to get some problems where you have two fractions and you have to say whether they are proportional or not. You have to compare them. And if you do the cross products and they don't equal each other, then in between you're going to put the equal sign with the slash through it, which means they do not equal. Okay? Alrighty. So, some of our other problems we're going to get: solve for an unknown variable. Alright, so here's a variable over 3. 9 times x should equal 6 times 3. And so 9x, 6 times 3 is 18. Okay, then we get our variable alone. It's being multiplied by 9. So to get it alone, I do the opposite. Divide by 9. Divide the other side by 9. Okay, and this reduces to 1. X is alone now. 1 times x is x. And 18 divided by 9 is 2. Okay, so let's do some practice problems.